Hello everyone, welcome back to Shinning Daimond. My channel's name is Shinning Daimond. Warm welcome back to everyone. So today I'm gonna show you some key rings that I bought. Where I bought it from, it was costing me I think 120, but you guys can go check out their Facebook. Okay, so let me get started. So, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. If not, I always pray for people who doesn't. And I know my previous video were not great as usually. I'm sorry about that. But I got a tough week days when I posted that once. So it's about this diamond pieces is to, I think, hummingbirds. I'm not sure, but they are birds. So one is gonna be red and I think pinkish. The other one is gonna be blue and brown. I almost want to say grey. Yes, so let me get started. So this is the one, how the one is looking. And as you guys see, the draw field is very clear. And it is double-sided. What I meant by double-sided is it's on both sides. This is the first time I do something like this. Okay, so I got it. Yeah, you see? I don't know if you guys can see, but let me check. If I maybe hold it like this. So it's in my hand, plastic is still packed. It's very sticky. So it's both sides what you can diamond paint. So that was the one bit. This is the other one. Okay. So this, I think this is a keychain, but I'm not quite sure, but I think it is a keychain. Because of this, I'm not sure, because I know this is a light catcher that catch the light and make some rainbow color effects. So you get two of them, then you get two of this rings that you must have a tool. You must have a tool. There's a cutting there, and then you're gonna just pull it apart, hook the one side, and you're gonna hook the other side, and then it's supposed to hang like this. And then the other part that comes on top is with the toolkit. So what you get in the toolkit is the other part of it. And then here's the block baggies, pink bags. Gee, what is it with me in grey? And green boat and pink pen. I don't know why I'm so with grey. Every time I want to say grey. Oh. Okay, so I got one. So you get two of this one. You see there's the on top where you connect the thing on the bottom, and it will go on top. You put it through that hole, if I can do it, and there you go. And then you will close it like this. Okay, wait, before you close it. Oh, wrong side. Oh, just a fail today. Okay, so you put the other part in there, in this clipper, and then it's supposed to be like this. So yes, so you get the clipper or to hook it wherever you want to hook it into. It can be for your keys, it can be for anything. If it was me, I would have put it on my baby's bag, where I put in their diapers to hang there for decoration. Okay, so, oh no, please don't tell me this. Yo guys, I think I just lost one of, oh no. You see, and this is not even mine. This is from my mother. So if I lose something, she's gonna be mad. I'm looking for that thing, look like this. Oh please, no, it can't be gone. Oh man, didn't I fall it? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. My mother's gonna kill me. Not literally, she will not kill me like literally, but she will be mad. Hopefully she doesn't see this video. I'm just gonna search it after this video. Yeah, because yeah, I'm just gonna say yeah now because now I'm stressed out. My mom bought this for her, and she told me she's kind enough, she told me I can share it on my channel. So I will not be doing the diamond painting thingy thing. My mother's gonna do it. Oh shoot. Oh, now I'm behind. It's already in a baggie. See? There it is. I almost got stressed out. Okay. Please stay in your baggies. I don't want to stress again. So I am gonna show this special drills because it's gonna be special drill diamond painting. So if you don't like the drinking noise, don't be afraid. I'm gonna have lovely music playing throughout. So you will not hear the drinking noise, but you will still see the color and the diamond drills. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up now. So it's doing fine. guys, yes, that was the drawers. There's no specific color that I like of the drawers. I love them all. They all are beautiful. And I'm hoping my mother will enjoy this painting. And guys, I know it's annoying to hear this every time, but it really does help out my channel if you guys like, subscribe, share my videos, all that good stuff, so that I can just know what's going on, so that I can give better things for you guys to show. And not just that, to know what you guys liked in this video. And like I always say, I will never know if you guys don't comment down below what you guys did like of this video and didn't like of this video. I'm fine with that. You can tell me what you didn't like. I won't take it personal, because in a way it's helping my channel, and I appreciate your honesty. So please guys, like, subscribe, share my videos, comment down below, dislike it, tell me what you didn't like, all that stuff. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching my video. Even if you just watch and it just popped out on your YouTube and you just watch to see what I'm giving you guys out there, that is also a very great thing for me, because then I know there's people who's watching my videos. Thank you so much if you're even just watching. Thank you guys. I love you all. Have a great day, great night, great evening, and be safe. Bye.